Hey guys, it's Sharmise Idris, and today I'll be teaching you how to make Shimmer Body Oil and Shimmer Body Mist. So first I'm going to show you how to make the Shimmer Body Mist, and for this recipe you're going to need a 2-ounce spray bottle, 1 teaspoon of vegetable glycerin, 1 ounce of water, distilled water, and 1 ounce of aloe vera juice, and mica of your choice, and it'll be a half a teaspoon. And today I'm just going to use the 24 karat mica. And of course you'll need funnels to get it into the bottle. And easy enough, all you'll have to do is just pour all of your ingredients into the bottle and shake it. Now I'm going to show you how to make the Shimmer Body Oil, and for this recipe you're going to need another 2-ounce bottle, but this one I'm going to use a dropper bottle because it's easier. You'll need a half a teaspoon of mica. For this one I'm going to use the Sparkle Browns and Bronze Reflex. You'll need a half ounce of sweet almond oil, a half ounce of grapeseed oil, and 1 ounce of fractionated coconut oil, and a funnel. And just like the other recipe, you're just going to need to mix them all together and shake it up. I did get all of these micas from TKB Trading, and I will put the links in the description below. So just like most shimmer body oils and mist, these micas will sit at the bottom, so you will need to shake them up before use.